Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is an important mechanism that helps to keep our respiratory system clear and healthy. It is a natural reflex used to clear irritants and foreign substances from the lining of our nose. When an irritant, such as dust or other particles, enter our nose, we release histamines which trigger a sneeze reflex. The rapid expulsion of air from our lungs and nose helps to remove the irritants and protects us from further harm. The act of closing our eyes when we sneeze is also a reflexive response that occurs automatically, but the exact reason for this reflex is not entirely understood.
Hit that subscribe button and join the MakeMeClever.com community. Until next time, stay clever.